you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning and also doing a little DIY for Christmas at the end of the video. My house is a complete disaster because we are packing to be moving, and also I've been traveling a lot in the middle of packing, so there's boxes and luggage and just stuff everywhere. So I'm just doing a quick little cleanup and a little bit of rearranging to get ready for Christmas decorations. If you end up liking today's video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing by clicking that button down below to stick around, because I would love to have you here in this little YouTube family. So this is the first area that I'm kind of rearranging. We have a lot of the toys out here. Grayson just had a birthday, so a lot of the toys are out in the living room. I'm going to be moving all of these toys into his room and rearranging in the room a little bit, but I'm making space to put our Christmas tree here in the corner. I'm keeping our Christmas decor really simple this year, just because we are in the middle of moving. I don't want to have to pack a ton of stuff at the last minute. But I also don't want to take away from the Christmas decorations.
But I would never would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see. But now the never seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky me.
So moving into his room, I'm just kind of rearranging this little playmat so that I can put that shelf over on this side. I'm really excited about our new house that we're moving to because we have a loft space plus an extra bedroom. So I really want to have his toys and a playroom area in the loft and keep the bedroom really simple. But for now, this will have to do, and I think I really like the way that it turned out. I feel like it's very functional and very useful.
But now the never seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky me. Lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky me. Lucky, I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star, and in a week or two I won't remember who you are. Man down, he ran out of luck and now it's my time. Ain't no looking back, I'm on the right track. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Uh-oh. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Uh-oh. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are. I guess that I was born beneath a very lucky star. And in a week or two, I won't remember who you are.
And don't mind the empty shelf above the dresser. I've already started to pack a lot of the stuff in the house, including all of the decor and stuff in Grayson's room and a lot of stuff out of his closet. So moving on to the DIY, these are actually spaghetti sauce jars. I use the Classico brand, and I save a lot of the jars and use them for DIY projects or also glasses. And earlier this year I painted them white with some chalk paint and then sanded them up or roughed them up a little bit to give them more of the rustic feel. And then I found this ribbon at Walmart last year. I'm gonna go back and see if I can find the same ribbon again because I absolutely love it. And then I'm just wrapping a small piece of the ribbon with the jute around the jar. I'm not gluing it down. You totally could if this is something that you would just store away. But I used these earlier in the year with a different setting of decor and a different kind of ribbon for like the spring or fall. So I didn't want to glue it down because I just wanted to reuse them later on in the year.
Chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
And now the jars actually match the bow on the wreath that I did last year. I will link that video down below if you want to know how to make this really cute bow.